Mabuhay! From the previous discussion during our online class, which talks about the charts that represents the three interconnected pillars of the sustainability: the people, the planet, and the profit. Through this, I've learned that true progress means balancing in social well-being, environmental practices, and economic growth. People reminds me that our decisions affects our community's health, education, and the quality of life. Planet teaches us the importance of preserving our natural resources for our future generations. Profit shows that financial growth is not the enemy, it just needs to be responsible and ethical. From this learning, I've realized that sustainability is not just about one global goal. It starts with our daily choices. In the United Nations, which emphasizes the Sustainable Development Goals, that we must act today to ensure a better world for tomorrow.